Madam, do you mind?
Don't take it on me.
Don't take it out on you. Who's supposed to take it out on?
Take it on me.
Oh. Hey, you.
Hey.
Not
you're
you,
not talking-
him. Hello to you, too, but... It's being very sweet right now.
There
Spoke
he
to
goes.
son. Smell my tail. He's like, let me clean what you messed up. Boop. Boop.
Don't drink the nog.
There's nothing in there.
Yeah.
He's just drinking. He's just looking like that.